Hola everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is enjoying their Halloween season. Today I will be showing you two different ways on how to get candy corn nails. Let's get started. First, apply a base coat. I'm using the Revlon Quick Dry Base Coat. I'll be leaving links in the description below to where you can find the products that I'm using. Next, apply a white polish. I'm using the Sally Hansen Insta Dry Polish in the shade White on Time. You can also switch the order and apply a yellow polish as the base. So the first method I'll be showing you is the easier one. Take an orange polish. I'm using the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Polish in the shade Sunkissed. Leave the bottom third of your nail white and just paint over the other 2/3 of your nail. The edges don't have to be perfect, but be sure and paint the rest of your nail completely orange. Next, take a yellow polish. I'm using the Sally Hansen Extreme Wear Polish in the shade Daisy Dukes. Paint the remaining third of your nail completely yellow, and be sure to let the polish dry between each coat you apply. The next method is for my perfectionists out there. First, apply a quick dry top coat on the white base you have. I'm using the new Glossy Taco by Hollow Taco. Be sure to let it dry completely because we'll be using striping tape next. Apply the striping tape horizontally on your nail, leaving a third of your nail at the bottom. If you don't have a steady hand for painting your nails and you don't want to get any orange polish at the bottom of your nail, you can apply some liquid latex at the bottom third of your nail, meeting the striping tape. Let it dry until it's clear. The latex I'm using is by the brand Queen. Paint the orange polish all the way down on your nail, and before it dries, peel off the striping tape and the liquid latex. Repeat the same steps as before. Apply a quick dry top coat once the orange polish is dry, apply striping tape, then liquid latex, and paint the remaining top third of your nail yellow, and peel off the striping tape and liquid latex before the polish dries. Apply a final top coat to all of your nails to seal in your design. And voila, we're done! If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, or watch another video. I'll also leave a playlist of my other nail art if you want to watch those. I'll leave my Instagram in the description if you want to follow me. Tag me on there if you create any of my nail art. I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios and happy Halloween!